In this lecture, we're going to talk about the trigonometric ratios. First of all, we're going to talk about the directions. Now, there is an interesting fact that when we combine these words, we're going to have a word news. Basically, news is preferred to information around the world from all directions. That's why there's this got a word news. Now, N for north, E for east, W for west, and S for south. Now, how can we just identify that where is the north and where is the south and where is the east? Now, there's an formula or a line that is used to just memorize the directions. First of all, we have to go down. Like, there's a point. First of all, down, right, left, and then again down. Again, down, right, left, down. Now just repeat it and you will just memorize it. Now according to these down, right, left, down, we're gonna just put the values or put the terms. First of all, down. The first letter is N of the news. So we're gonna just write N. That refers to the north. Then east. The second word we got is right. So we just will write E in that. Now the third word is left, and here the third one is west. So we're gonna just write here W, and last one is S. So here we got the directions. This is the correct way to find the directions very fastly, very frequently. Now there are quadrants given to this place, and we're gonna just talk about the quadrants. The negative or positive sound, cos theta, sin theta, these all are related to the quadrants of the plane. Now there are some degrees that are made in these quadrants. So this is 90 degree. Like all of these four are of 90 degree, but when we sum up these, so we will get different ratios. Now it will become 180 degree. This will become 270. And after joining this, it's become a complete circle 360 degree. So this is all about the quadrant. It is the first quadrant. North, east, first quadrant. Then move to the left, second quadrant. Then move to downwards, third quadrant, and then fourth quadrant. Now just expect angle, diameter, 3/4, and a complete circle. It just works like that. Now let's just talk about the symbols or signs of that. Y and X. Y-axis, X-axis. Y-axis, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal because it is just downwards of the positive terminal, and this is the origin. Like here the value becomes 0. So this is the positive terminal. From right to the left it will become negative. So as we know, the standard form is X into Y. So we will just write X first and then Y, X first and then Y, X first and then Y, X first then Y. So here the X is positive, X positive, Y is positive, Y positive, X is negative, X negative, Y is positive, Y positive. X and Y both are negative, so both will become negative. X positive and Y negative. So like this works. Now we're going to talk about the cos, sin, theta working on these quadrants. First of all, we have to learn this phrase. This is most usable phrase in trigonometric ratios. Some people have curly brown hair still painted black. This is line or sentence given to the formula or representation of sine, cos and tan. Here S represents sine, C represent cos, and T represent the tan. So S sine sum, P pupil, this represents the perpendicular. Have H, then just break it and we will got C for cos, B for base, B brown base, H for hairs. Now next one, T till, P for perpendicular and B for black. What we will do? Equal, divide, equal, divide, equal, divide. And this is how we can just distinguish these all things by a single sentence. Now let's talk about what's hypotenuse and what's perpendicular. So hypotenuse is, so first we were going to talk about the base. Base is the base, like the basic line or basic x-axis line, and the line that makes 90 degree on the that is perpendicular to the base, that is called perpendicular because it is perpendicular to the base. And the point joining base from the perpendicular, it will call hypotenuse. Now this makes an angle that is called theta. Now let's just recognize that this is O, this is B, and this is A. Now here F represents the hypotenuse, Fx represents the base, and Fy represents the perpendicular. Now let's derive the quantities of these thetas. First of all, sine theta is equal to AB, OB. Like it makes a 90 degree angle that is equal to Fy divided by F. Now we're gonna just make it equal to the cos theta, and after that F is multiplying here, after going there F is dividing here, and after doing there it will just multiply the sine theta. So here is the equation to find the Fy, and the Fy is equal to the AB. AB means perpendicular. So we can say that perpendicular represents the sine theta. Now here is the cos theta. Curly brown hairs. OB represents the base. Hairs, hypotenuse. OA. O to the A, hypotenuse. Its formula is Fx upon F. The same method will be used. Fx is equal to F cos theta. Now tan is much different than these two. So here we will just got BA, that means perpendicular, OB, that means the base. So after just multiplying that, we will get Fx divided by Fy. Now here we're gonna just find out the value of the theta by inversing the tan theta. So that's all about the trigonometric ratios in physics.